Welcome, in front of me is a ULEFONE Note 17 Pro, and today I will show you how you can put this device into Fastboot mode. So, to get started, hold power button and volume up, and from the boot options select shutdown. When the device turns off, hold both of these buttons again, power button and volume up, and let go of the power button when you see the ULEFONE logo on the screen. And this will take us to the boot mode. In this mode, using only volume up, you want to select Fastboot mode, which I actually need to look closely to see which one that is. And that is the middle option. So you can see there's this kind of arrow right here. It just starts moving down and then all the way back. There's only 3 options, so just make sure that it's on the second option from the top. Then press volume down. Now the device will look like it's not doing anything, but if I try to move, you can see volume up doesn't move the arrow anymore. So give it a moment, it is booting into the Fastboot mode. Or it's a possibility that it's already in Fastboot mode when you press on it and it just doesn't show any sign of it. So anyway, I'm gonna hold power button, volume down. This will reboot the device. And I'm gonna enter this mode again. So the moment it goes black, I'm gonna switch to volume up. The reason I did this is because there's another Fastboot mode. So instead of selecting Fastboot mode, I'm gonna jump all the way to the first option, which is recovery mode, press volume down. And this will bring me to recovery mode, in which we can also access Fastboot mode. Now we can use both volume buttons to navigate. So with that in mind, I'm gonna select the third option, enter Fastboot, confirm it using power button. And here we have the more traditional Fastboot mode. And here we have several options as well. We have reboot system now, which takes us back to Android. Enter recovery, which will bring us to the previous page. Bootloader, which will take us to the first page we have seen after turning off the device. Though when I tried to utilize this, it's just kind of the device went non-responsive and was stuck on the ULEFONE logo, so I needed to hold power button, volume down to reboot it. So just want to warn you. And then we have power off. Anyway, I'm gonna stick with the first option, reboot system now, confirm it with the power button, and this will bring me back to Android, and it's just a way of leaving this mode. And there we go. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.